Why does online shopping turn everyone into a detective? Because I'm not just buying a product. I'm investigating, reading reviews, checking photos, scrolling for 20 minutes trying to find that one honest comment. Then I find a review that says, pretty good. Thanks, Sherlock. Very helpful. And somehow I'll spend 3 days researching a $10 item, then make the purchase in 2 seconds. The worst part is tracking the package. The second I order it, I become obsessed, checking shipping updates every hour like it's a live sporting event. Being an online shopper is just spending more time stalking the package than using the actual product. Anyways, like and subscribe for more Rant content.